Hey guys, this is my new cat that I rescued in March of 2020. Her name's Audie. Well, it's Autumn, but me and my mom call her Audie for short. And I'm going to be scratching her head with a back scratcher that me and my family bought in Cape Cod. Alright, here we go. Audie, say hi. Audie, say hi. Hi, people. Oh, she likes that. If you decide to do this at your house with your cat, make sure it's a small back scratcher and do it very gently. And it's best when you do it when your cat's asleep. So when they wake up, they feel all cured of their itch, if they have one. Let's get under the collar. Chin, can I get your chin knots? Boop, boop. Let's get under the collar. Can you move your hand? Can you move your head, Odds? I'm gonna scratch under her collar. Of course, I need to get under the collar. Sorry. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. You like that? She likes it. Can I scratch your paw? That's all for today, folks. Thanks for watching my channel. Bye.